The $700 Quintillion secret, NASA's golden asteroid and the race to cosmic riches. Suddenly, a glowing asteroid glides slowly across the galaxy. What if I told you that floating in the dark, cold silence of space, is a rock made of more gold than all the treasure buried on Earth? A rock worth so much, every human could be a billionaire, yet its power could destroy our economy, our systems, and even spark a space war. The $700 Quintillion secret, in NASA engineers working on this space project, are building state-of-the-art spacecraft, and a telescope to scan the stars in search for these treasure. High above our heads, tucked between Mars and Jupiter, spins a giant space rock called 16 Psyche. But this isn't just any rock. This one is special. It's filled with shiny, heavy metals, iron, nickel, and even gold. Scientists think it might be the leftover heart of a planet that never got to grow up. And guess what? It's possibly worth $700 quintillion. That's a 7 followed by 20 zeros. Ringed Planet, the discovery of 16 Psyche telescopic images of Psyche, shows animated recreations of planetary cores and graphics of crashing space rocks. Long ago, when the solar system was still young, huge pieces of rock smashed into each other to form planets. But some never made it. Psyche may be the heart of one of those planets, its outer shell blasted away, leaving behind just a big metal core. In 2019, when astronomers looked closely, they were shocked. Psyche was almost all metal, not dusty rock like most asteroids. Some say it's made of the same stuff as the inside of Earth. Rocket NASA's bold mission, the Psyche spacecraft, was finally launched in 2023. Engineers cheer. So NASA got to work. In October 2023, they launched the Psyche mission. This spacecraft isn't going to dig or mine yet, it's going to study the asteroid. It will take 6 years to get there. But once it does, it will tell us what Psyche is really made of. That's like sending a robot to examine the world's biggest vault of gold. Globe, why this changes everything. If Psyche really holds that much metal, what happens if we bring it back? Some say it could crash the value of gold on Earth. Money systems could change. Countries might fight to claim it. But wait, there's a problem. We can't bring it back yet. It's too big. Too far. Too costly. And no one owns space, at least not yet. Laws are still being written. DNA, what's hidden in asteroids, just like asteroid Ryugu, Bennu, and others. Psyche is not the only one. NASA has found over 1.3 million asteroids. Some hold gold. Others have platinum, cobalt, or water. Asteroids like Ryugu and Bennu are dark and rich in carbon. These might carry the secrets of life itself: water, carbon, even amino acids. Yes, you heard that right. Life may have come to Earth, riding on a space rock. Microbe, hidden worlds and possible life. Imagine a time before humans, before dinosaurs, before oceans. Some scientists believe asteroids brought water to Earth. Others believe they brought the very building blocks of life. Tiny bits of amino acids found on these space rocks look just like the ones in our bodies. So, these aren't just rocks. They're cosmic messengers. Shield the danger they carry: previous asteroid impacts, extinction of some animals like the dinosaurs, and the 2022 DART mission tells the story. But asteroids aren't just treasure chests. They can be dangerous. A giant one hit Earth 65 million years ago and wiped out the dinosaurs. That's why NASA sent a mission called DART to hit a small asteroid and push it off course, and it worked. This was the first time humans changed the path of something in space. We may need to do it again. Magnifying glass, the search for other creatures. Some people wonder, if life began from space rocks, could there be other creatures out there? On moons like Europa or Enceladus, under layers of ice, there might be deep oceans, maybe even tiny life adapted to the cold and dark. Just like deep sea creatures on Earth that glow and survive without sunlight. These are the real aliens, waiting to be discovered. Light bulb bravery, ingenuity, and hope. What makes this story special isn't just the gold or the danger. It's the bravery of the people exploring the unknown, the ingenuity to build machines that fly across millions of miles, The hope that maybe, just maybe, we'll discover something that can help all of humanity. And the lesson? Treasure isn't always money. Sometimes, it's the knowledge we gain, the life we protect, and the future we build. The universe is full of mysteries. And maybe, somewhere out there, another Psyche is waiting. Another story. Another chance. Another beginning.